Welcome to another English shadowing practice. Today, you're at a busy coffee shop in the United States. Imagine you're standing in line, ready to order your favorite drink. Listen carefully, repeat every sentence after the speaker, and copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Don't worry if you make mistakes. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin your real-life English conversation at the coffee shop. Good morning. Welcome to Sunny Coffee. What can I get for you today? Hi, I'd like a medium iced latte, please. Sure. Would you like whole milk, oat milk, or almond milk? I'll have oat milk, please. Great choice. Would you like any flavor, such as vanilla or caramel? Yes, please. Add 1 pump of vanilla. No problem. Anything else for you today? That's all for now, thank you. Your total comes to $6.50. How would you like to pay? I'll pay with my card. Perfect. Please tap your card on the machine. Done. Thank you. Would you like a printed receipt? No, thanks. That's okay. Can I also get a glass of water? Of course. I'll bring it with your take. It should be ready in about 5 minutes. Great, thank you. The coffee shop smells amazing. Yes. We just baked fresh muffins this morning. They look delicious. Which one do you recommend? I really like the blueberry muffin. It's our most popular item. I'll take one, then. Excellent choice. I'll add it to your order right away. Emma, medium iced vanilla latte with oat milk. That's me. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Thanks. Everything looks perfect. This coffee tastes fantastic. I'm definitely coming back again. I'm glad you like it. We hope to see you again soon. Have a safe day, and enjoy your drink. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye, and take care. Excuse me, could I get an extra shot of espresso in my latte? Of course. That will make the coffee a little stronger. Yes, that's exactly what I want. No problem. Is there an extra charge? Yes, it's $1 more. That's fine with me. Can I also have less ice this time? Absolutely. I'll make a new drink with less ice and an extra shot. Thank you so much for your help. My pleasure. We always want our customers to enjoy their drinks. Do you have any sugar-free drinks? Yes, we do. We have sugar-free vanilla syrup and several low-sugar options. That's great to hear. I'll try the sugar-free vanilla latte next time. Sounds good. Many customers really enjoy it. What snacks do you recommend with coffee? Our chocolate croissant and banana bread are both very popular. I'll take a chocolate croissant, please. Excellent choice. I'll warm it up for you right away. Is there free Wi-Fi here? Yes, there is. The network name and password are printed on your receipt. That's very convenient. Thank you. You're welcome. Feel free to stay as long as you like. Great. I need to finish some work on my laptop. No problem. There are power outlets near the window seats. Perfect. This coffee shop is very comfortable. We're happy to hear that. Enjoy your time here. Excuse me, I accidentally ordered the wrong drink. Don't worry. What would you like instead? I wanted a hot cappuccino, not an iced latte. That's not a problem. We'll make the correct drink for you right away. Thank you for understanding. You're very welcome. Customer satisfaction is important to us. I really appreciate your kindness. It's our pleasure. Your new drink will be ready in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching today's English shadowing practice. I hope this coffee shop conversation helped you improve your English speaking skills. Remember to repeat every sentence aloud and practice every day. Consistency is the key to becoming a confident English speaker. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations. I'll see you in the next shadowing practice. Have a wonderful day, and keep speaking English with confidence. Bye.